I'll take a U-turn right here. I'm taking a wrong path, which might be the long way instead of preferring shortcuts. ఎటు పోతున్నావురా ముసలోడా? So the thing is, I really had a great food, dude. That Natukodi pulao, exactly, which is cost of 190 rupees. This hotel, I don't prefer, this is not a hotel, this is a mess. In between Elbinar to Nagol, right exactly opposite of Kim's hospital. Getting back to my home. Where is Sinu bro? Huh? Wine's closed, huh? ఉంటుందా? అంటే ఇప్పుడు మందానికి హైదరాబాద్ పోవాలా? అవునవును తెలుసు. ఓకే. Today we are drinking alcohol. We will booze. We will enjoy. We will shout. ఏమంటావు బ్రో? అంతే కదా. బాయ్. I think I have to take I have to be more serious about editing software. Since I don't have the editing software, it's very complicated for me to upload the videos. Finding the free software is very complicated. Since the previous vlogs were uploaded by Filimura, it's showing a lot of errors to me. So I decided not to pay. It's only 3,000 rupees per year, but unfortunately because of those error reports, I'm scared if I pay the 3,000 rupees and it got any kind of error and get crashed software, I'll lose all 3,000 rupees. So I don't think I have any proper reason. So coming back to the point, I have to travel to Hyderabad. Since it is Bonalu here, it's a festival. Depending on area, the dates will be provided to celebrate the festival. So we need to cross the border of a particular territory. Alcohol. I just have completed having my lunch. Right now I'm heading towards Fort Mordi Ford. So exactly what happened yesterday, while I was capturing a video, the security disrespectfully spoke to me very rude. So I argued with him. I just scolded him a couple of words and it's over. Later I got etu nadutunora lanja odka aithe where was I? Couple of and everything is completed. I just left that area. The moment I get back to my home, I just got a notification about the review of Modi Ford. So I gave them a honest review of disrespectful behavior of some of your security. while I was taking the picture, and I didn't give briefly, just gave a couple of words. That's it. Okay. Adi khatarnak. So Modi Saab got a 2 times they called him and asked that any issue has gone while you are giving your vehicle. So he explained that yeah, my brother got an issue with the security guard, so they are waiting for my presence. I don't know what kind of conversation and argument will go through right now. Let's see. నిన్న కూడా ఉండే బుల్లెట్ ఇడే జర చూసుకొని తాకుతుంది. ఓ యూట్యూబ్ ఆకాష్ గులి అని యూట్యూబ్లో ఉంటుంది. బైక్ రైడింగ్ లదాఖ్, గోవా. సరే ఆవుతలే అరా నీకు ఎరుపు కూడా. Come on, Modi Saab. The manager himself apologized me for being rude by the security. He even gave a reply to me. Unfortunately, I didn't recognize it. So whatsoever, I am satisfied. So I gave another review about the quality of service they gave me, instantly rectifying the problem. And the billing is also, the reason billing is so expensive because they have their own products with a high quality. They don't tie up with other companies, including the battery itself. They have their own batteries, which is very good thing. It will be easily compatible for the machine. So what happened to Modi Saab? I don't see a Modi Saab. Okay, right now I have to go for thick shake or mom, makers of milkshake. No idea. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Even I took the huge risk. పెద్ద దెంగించుకోర్రి, నేను ఏడిది పోతూనే ఉంటా. లెట్స్ సీ. An hour ago Arvind Anna gave me a call. Let's see whether he's there or not. Leda